Hello, my name is Daniel Yuck. Thank you for watching today. I appreciate you, your time, and your support. In today's video, I would like to dive into an in-depth review. I would like to take a close-up look with you at the Mast Archer 2 tattoo machine from Dragonhawk. I will leave my affiliate links for you in the description below to the gear featured in this video so you can check it out on your end. Should you have any questions at all, I encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, let's get right on into this.
Are you wanting to develop your tattooing skill sets? Now you can practice and develop anytime, any place with an assortment of tattooing workbooks that I've created. With these assorted tattooing workbooks, we can practice our basic lining all the way to advanced lining. We can practice shading, shading placement, dot work, textures, and more. All we are gonna need is a tattoo workbook of mine. We can use a pencil, pen. We can even use a tattoo machine with a ballpoint cartridge to develop our tattooing abilities further. That means that we don't need tattoo ink, we don't need napkins or petroleum jelly to get to practicing. Simply open one of my tattooing workbooks and get going. It really is that easy. You can get your hands on one of my developmental tattooing assorted workbooks by simply clicking the links in my description or in the pinned comment section below, or navigating on over to Amazon.com, typing in Daniel Yuck, and you'll see all of the assorted tattoo workbooks that I've created come up. If you have an Amazon account, be sure to follow my Amazon author page as well, as I would greatly appreciate your support. Should you have any questions at all, drop them in the comment section down below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's get right back into this video.
First and foremost, I would like to thank Dragonhawk for sending me out this machine to bring an in-depth, honest review for you all. By the end of this video, you will know what to expect from the Mast Archer 2 tattoo machine. Let's start by taking a close-up look at the box here, and you can see it's actually pretty straightforward. This is the side, just a simple white box here. Let's take a look at the contents. It's a snug fit there. So upon opening the box, this is what we are greeted with. It looks as though this is a user manual that is the design of the Mast Archer 2 tattoo machine. Allow me to show you this here close up. Feel free to go ahead and pause this and thoroughly read it on your end. That is one side of the user manual. This is the other. It looks as though there's multiple languages. Now it also does show some parameters. So the Mast Archer 2 is going to be a 3.5 stroke. Output voltage is going to be 4 to 12. The battery capability is 2000 mAh, and the speed is 12 volts, which is about 10,000 RPMs. According to the user manual, the Mast Archer 2 does have an interface, so you can see that we have the time, we have a pause and a stop button, the voltage, and the battery life right there. You can also see that within the ring of the Mast Archer 2, we could change to different colors here. That right there is the function there. Taking a closer look here at what's in the box. On the left, we have the Mast Archer 2 tattoo machine. Over here, I'm assuming this is going to be some accessories maybe. So let's check this out here. So here we have an O-ring and a charging cable here, which is fantastic. I do like how that's purple right there. Very simple stuff here. Now let's take a closer look at the tattoo machine itself, so that way we can get an idea as to what we can expect from the Mast Archer 2. Here is the Mast Archer 2 tattoo machine close up. Allow me to show you a closer look here at the Mast Archer 2 tattoo machine. Let's bring a little bit more light here. At first impressions, it is a very sleek design. When I first saw the machine, I was very in favor of the design. I like how it's minimal. I do like how it feels like a solid build as well. It doesn't feel cheap by any means. It does have a nice balanced weight to it as well. This is the power switch, voltage up and down. As you can see, we do have a sort of textured grip here, and it is a click grip. That is the top of the machine. This is where we charge it from. This is the bottom where the cartridges go in there. It fits most standard size cartridges, doesn't matter. This is the light ring right there. Removing the grip is very straightforward. Turning the machine on is fairly simple. All we're going to want to do is just hold the power button down, and you're going to see that we're greeted with the Mast brand there. And then now I am ready to go here. You can see the interface does show true to the user manual. We have a pause and a stop right there. That is a voltage. We have a timer and a battery indicator. And then you can see that we do have the glowing ring right there. You can change the color of the ring when the machine is on pause. If you have it on play here, you're gonna notice that you change the voltage. When you pause it, you can change the ring color. So that's how that works right there. You can pick one of the colors as shown in the user manual. If you need to switch your voltage, you turn it on, and you just simply press up or down as well to navigate to a different voltage. You can see it's showing the seconds there as well. So it has hour, minutes, and seconds. I'm in favor of that built-in timer. You can hear that it's also a very, very quiet machine. Here's a ballpoint cartridge from Ink Claw as a demonstration. Even with this in there, you can see that it's still very quiet. I love the fact that it goes down to 4 volts. You rarely ever see that. It's typically at 5. So I do love that for some really soft pepper-like dot work or shading. I do feel like 4 volts will be actually perfect for dot work as well. So to each their own, I'm just in favor of that. It's not really too common. I see 4 volts on any machine. It's always 5. But you can see that even that voltage range makes all the difference from that one point. This is 5. That's 4. Big difference. 4 volts, 5 volts. So that right there is the Mast Archer 2 close-up here. At first impressions, I'm loving the sleek build. I love the ease of use. The interface is user-friendly, which makes the workflow super easy. Now, from my experience, I'm able to do everything with this machine, from lining, shading. I'm able to pack, I'm able to do textures as well. This also makes for a great practice machine. Let's say I want to get used to holding a machine and the weight of a machine. This is a great machine to start with, as it does have a nice balanced weight. There is a little bit of weight to it, which can contribute to my development getting used to using tattoo machines. Another thing that I like about the machine is that ring right there. I'm in favor of little things like that. You can go ahead and select any color you like that suits your mood. That's another thing that I just wanted to kind of mention there. But at first impressions, this feels like a well-rounded, solid built machine. And this is the Mast Archer 2 tattoo machine. What I would like to do now is share with you how easy it is to go about wrapping this machine. When it comes to wrapping this machine, what I like to use is simple medical tape. This is a blue barrier film. I'm going to separate these individual parts. This is the grip. I want to make sure that I can adjust my needle depth throughout my tattoo session. So what I like to do is I like to get the medical tape and line it up as close as to that top part right here, as you see, like so. And then I wrap it around without interfering with the grip, just like so. I kind of just stick it to the machine as you see me doing here, and I repeat this all the way around. Very simple, straightforward process. Now this part of my machine is a low risk. What I can do is I can get another piece of medical tape and place it over the top to cover this area. I'm not really going to be up here in this area too much. I'm only going to be in this area when I'm tattooing, so I'm not really worried about that area. However, you can still cover that if you want. From here, next, what I can do is I can remove the grip and kind of repeat the process, or I can leave it on. It's really up to you, and repeat that same process with the grip. So here I have some more medical tape kind of cut down to a more appropriate size here. And I'm just going to repeat that the exact same way while I wrap it around, keeping it close to the rim of the grip without interfering with the top part of the machine. Reason being is because I need to be able to do this throughout the process to adjust my needle depth as I switch to different sizes. From here, I can just kind of place this down, stick it together, kind of do however I see fit with this area right here. I just don't want it to get caught up in this area and interfere with the needle insertion. but you get the idea. So once I have that nice and tight, from here what I can do is add some adhesive wrap for comfort and stability. Right here is some adhesive wrap. Pretty straightforward concept, pretty straightforward process. I'll pull a little bit of tension on it, and we're just going to continue to wrap like so, still being mindful not to interfere with the top area. And there we have it. From here, what I would do next is we can go to this area. Now it's going to cover that glow ring. You can do this if you want, or you don't have to, but what I am going to do is I'm going to just wrap some adhesive wrap in this area just for a little bit more comfort and stability on this part of my machine. As you can see, I'm still able to change my voltage up or down, not affected at all by doing so. I just have more grip in this area should I go ahead and need to kind of turn it and have ointment on my hands. Just a little bit more stability. Again, optional, you don't have to do that. This is how I'm gonna go about wrapping the Mast Archer 2 tattoo machine when I tattoo. Very simple, straightforward process. Now, with all of this being shown and said, what I would like to do now is switch on over to a different angle so that way I can demonstrate some performance tests. That way we can get an idea of the capabilities of the Mast Archer 2 tattoo machine. Let's go ahead and get into that. Allow me to conclude the video by relaying some of my final opinions and some insight on how I feel about the Mast Archer 2 tattoo machine. So all in all, I do feel like the Mast Archer 2 tattoo machine is a well-rounded tattoo machine in multiple aspects. The design is nice, sleek, simple, easy for anyone to understand. So I do feel not only is it beginner friendly, it is advanced friendly as well as budget friendly. So not only is the design in my favor, I also am in favor of the performance. When it comes to performance, I am able to do almost any application that I am needing to do with the Mast Archer 2, from lining, packing, shading. I can do soft shading, stipple shading. I can use any size needle that I would want to use, from a 1-round liner all the way up to a 111 round shader. It's able to push any size needle that I would throw at it. It's able to do any sort of technical application that I would throw at it. So I'm also in favor of the performance as well. I do also like the interface. Not only is it easy to understand, it has some essential utilities that we are able to use that can assist our workflow, such as the timer. Not only that, this specific machine drops all the way down to 4 volts, which is a good thing for me, as I do like a softer hit at times and a slower rounds per minute. So that is another thing that I am in favor of. It's also very easy to wrap, as you've seen there. So multiple reasons why I am in favor of the Mast Archer 2 tattoo machine. Those are some reasons why I would recommend this to any tattoo artist who's looking for a budget-friendly tattoo machine that packs a punch. So in my conclusion, I'm going to give the Mast Archer 2 tattoo machine a 2 thumbs up and a 5 stars easily for those reasons right there. Again, I will leave my affiliate links for you in the description below so you can check out this machine on your end. Should you have any questions, I'm going to encourage you to drop a comment down below. Rest assured, I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, I thank you for your time and I appreciate your support. You have a great day.
Are you needing or wanting tattoo guidance? What about 4K high quality step-by-step follow-along tattoo sessions? Or maybe one-on-one tattoo support to get answers to your questions that are specifically tailored to your wants and needs as the artist? You can now become a Patreon, where you will gain access to high quality 4K exclusive step-by-step follow-along tattoo sessions. I will be tattooing with you in a one-on-one step-by-step manner, where I will be explaining what I am doing and why every step of the way. I will also be doing this in a high quality 4K format for your optimal viewing experience. On top of the one-on-one support and on top of the step-by-step tattoo session guidance, you will also gain access to exclusive tattoo stencils that you can download and place on your end to further develop your skill sets. I will leave a link for you in the description or in the pinned comment section below, or you can head on over to patreon.com/Daniel Yuck. When you become a Patreon, you will be getting one-on-one support where you can ask me as many questions as you'd like that are specifically tailored to your wants and needs as the artist. You will gain access to exclusive tattoo stencils that you can download and practice on your end. You'll also gain access to exclusive high quality 4K footage where I walk you through each and every tattoo session in a one-on-one step-by-step manner, where I explain all the whats and whys along the way. Become a Patreon today. Thank you for your support in advance. I greatly appreciate you.